Want to rank higher on Google? Meet Mangools, the simple yet powerful SEO suite. Looking to boost your website traffic and dominate search rankings? In this video, we'll explore Mangools, a beginner-friendly SEO tool designed for marketers, bloggers, and business owners. We'll cover its features, pricing, and whether it's worth it. Stay tuned as we test Mangools features and show you why it's a must-have for SEO success. Mangools is a 5-in-1 SEO suite. It includes KWFinder for easy keyword research. SERPChecker analyzes search rankings and competitors. LinkMiner discovers powerful backlinks. Site Profiler provides insights on any website's authority. SERPWatcher tracks your keyword rankings over time. Unlike Ahrefs and SEMrush, Mangools is simple and affordable. Let's see how it works in action. With KWFinder, you can quickly discover low competition, high traffic keywords. Just enter a topic, and the tool will generate search volume, keyword difficulty, and ranking potential. Perfect for bloggers, marketers, and business owners. This tool is a game changer for finding the best SEO keywords that rank fast. SERPChecker gives you a detailed breakdown of Google's search results. It shows competitor domain authority, backlinks, and keyword rankings. See where you can outrank your competitors and boost SEO success. This helps you decide which keywords to target and where to improve. Want to improve your website's authority? LinkMiner helps you find high-quality backlinks from competitors. You can build better links for your site. Boost your rankings with proven backlink strategies. It even highlights broken backlinks, so you can replace them with your content. Mangools offers 3 pricing plans, making it more affordable than Ahrefs and SEMrush. Basic plan is $29 per month, perfect for beginners. Premium plan is $39 per month, offering the best value. Agency plan is $79 per month, ideal for teams and advanced users. Affordable SEO for beginners and experts alike. Compared to competitors, Mangools delivers great value at a lower cost. Let's break down the pros and cons of using Mangools. Pros: easy to use and beginner-friendly. Affordable pricing. Accurate keyword and backlink research. Cons: limited daily searches in lower plans. No technical SEO audit tools. Free trial is limited. Great for marketers, bloggers, and small businesses. If you want a simple, powerful, and budget-friendly SEO tool, Mangools is 100% worth it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more SEO tips, and let me know in the comments. Have you tried Mangools?